Hi Judy, here we are again, and we've got it all formed up, ready for concrete, ready for the inspection, which should be tomorrow, which today is Thursday. The two string lines define the inside edge of this form is the inside of the shower, so it's 4 inches wide from there, which brings it out to the end of that wall on that end, which makes your opening per the plan I sent you, which would be 32 inches with the in between the two 5-inch glass wing walls. There's your knee wall. That will all be poured and filled, so try to keep this slow so you can see this back wall you wanted to see all back up. I wouldn't worry too much about the holes. They're all going to be filled. A lot of those were cut in for access so that they could snake the wires through, but all that will be filled when the drywall, when the Rives guys come back after the rough-in for your sconces are put in. And I'll show you there's the 3 recessed cans that he put in over top of the vanity. Then that one will be covered, then I guess that was relocated. And I think he talked to you about the exhaust fan. And then the last one, which is inside the shower. So there you go. Everything's going smoothly, and we'll keep you up to date.